Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your emoji skin tone in Facebook Messenger. Facebook Messenger has a mountain of emoji that let you convey a broad range of emotions with simple pictures. Facebook lets you take that even further by giving you the ability to change the skin tone of some of those emoji as well. Facebook doesn't make it possible to change the skin tone for all emoji, but it does give you that option for a large number of them. Finally, Facebook gives you two options for changing the skin tone of your emoji. The first option lets you change the skin tone globally, and the second option lets you change it for just one specific emoji. First, let's walk through how to change the skin tone for all emojis. Step 1. Tap the image associated with your Facebook Messenger profile in the upper left corner of the screen. Your Facebook Messenger profile menu appears. Step 2. Scroll down to the Preferences section and then tap Emoji in the Preferences section. A Pick One menu flies up from the bottom of the screen. This menu displays the thumbs up icon in 6 different skin tones. Step 3. Choose the skin tone you want all of your Facebook Messenger emoji to be displayed in. The Pick One menu will disappear after you make your selection. Now, the next time you open the emoji menu in a Facebook Messenger chat, all of the emoji where the skin tone can be changed will be displayed with your chosen skin tone. Now let's walk through how to change the skin tone of a single emoji. Step 1. Tap the emoji icon in the new message field in a Facebook Messenger conversation. A menu flies up from the bottom of the screen. Tap Emoji in the row of options along the top of the menu that flies up. The emoji menu will be displayed. Step 2. Locate the emoji you want to try and change the skin tone for. Step 3. Hold your finger against that emoji. If changing the skin tone of that emoji is an option, a small menu featuring that same emoji with different skin tones appears. If no menu appears, then changing the skin tone of that emoji isn't an option. Step 4. Tap the emoji with the skin tone you want to use. That emoji will be posted in your Facebook Messenger conversation. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.